been going along here about half an hour just surface picking, and this is just some of it. I got my bags there and it's full of these bottles as well. That's a nice big blue one. All kinds of blue ones down here. Some different shapes and sizes. Look at that one, multi-sided. Just seen this red piece of glass. It's orange inside. That's kind of neat. This big brown one here, multi-sided. Look at that. What a bottle. The only thing that'd make it better would be if it was cork top, but it isn't. So anyways, I didn't find anything with there. Oh yeah, right. That little glass glue bottle. Look. There's a, oh, broke. Anyways, yeah, I haven't found anything yet. No corks or anything embossed. Oh, there. That would have been nice. Embossed. Nothing yet though. I'll check back in later with yous. Oh, there's one there, look. Doolby Collins. Cool. Later, folks. Just got this old toy cast iron tractor off the surface. I wouldn't say it's all there, but that's pretty cool. I guess it was red at one time. Neato. Never know what you're gonna find. Yo, me again. I got two finds I see here on the surface. Look at that. Cool. No writing or anything on it. And then I spotted this marble down here too. Another one of those red and orange ones all twisted around the white base. They must have been a popular marble at that time, because I found a few of them now. Okay, I'll catch you later. Look at this one. That would have been a nice frosted bottle. It's got the measurements right up the side of it. 25 ounces. There's up to 20 there and up to there. But down here it says 25 ounces. It's broke on this side though. There, look. It's a Melcher's Distilleries Limited. Pretty cool. Anyways, let you go for now. I just picked this up off the surface. I don't know what it is. I think it says Denton on it. Might have been it's a metal, aluminum or something. It might have been a toy or something, a badge. I don't know. I'll hang on to it and see if I can check it out. Catch you on the next find. Alright, if I keep finding stuff on the surface here, I won't even have to get my fork in the ground. I see I'm still on my way down the hill here, and I spotted that nice little marble. Look at that. That's a nice one. White and turquoise. Yeah. Got a clear base inside it there. Right on. Keep looking around here. I'll check back in on my next find. I got another surface find here. This one's pretty cool too. Look at that. Flip it over, it says number 16 fire truck. It's metal. Wow, that's an old looking fire truck. Cool. Love it. Alright, I'll catch you later. Hey, check it out. Look at this. That is a big heavy bell right there. I don't know if the thing inside is still there or not, but there's lots of dirt in it. Wow. I don't know what that would be from. Oh, think it is. Cool. That's awesome. Right on. Okay, folks, check back in with you later on. Started a new hole and I just got my first little cork top out of it. Small one. No embossing on it. There's a marking on the bottom of it. I don't know what it is. And I'm looking for the seam, but I don't see the seam. I think that might be the seam there. Yeah, I can't tell if it stops right under the tip of it or if it goes right up to the top. Anyways, we'll check it out on the cleanup. Later, folks. Hey, folks, just wanted to go over the stuff I found past couple days down that spot I was checking out. I'm not going to go over everything individually because there's just too much here, but we got all these cobalt blues, and a lot of these are surface finds too, so that's kind of cool. Got this little cork top there, it's all cleaned up. Seen these here. Glue bottle, that's kind of neat. Glass. There's that lighter. Black glass ashtray. We got 3 different marbles. That yellow cat's eye one. I don't think you've seen that in the video. 2 other ones. This Band-Aid tin. It's all there. It opens up. It's cool. That thing there, whatever that would have been. I got some different colored glass here. I try to grab that. Some people do some crafts and stuff with a different colored glass. I might save it myself. Put it in a mason jar or something. Might look alright. There's that metal fire truck. The bell. And some cork tops. This here insulator. Probably on the side of a house or something. Kind of neat. I'll stick it in a tree. Then I got this big greenish blue insulator. It's got some cracks and stuff in it, but it's all together, so I grabbed it. It's the only one I got like that. Alright, well that's everything, and it was pretty good for a couple short trips down there. I started a new hole, and I'm going to get digging on that again soon, so catch you all later.